Working on electrical system design and received E3S schematic files from the engineering team. These contain complete wiring diagrams and electrical layouts. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and navigate these E3.series engineering schematics. Here's a tip from my professional experience. For those truly difficult E3S files, you need a Plan B, a secret weapon. I'll expand more on this after we try the other solutions. E3S files are electrical schematic design files, created by E3.series from Zuken, a professional electrical engineering CAD platform. They contain complete wiring diagrams, circuit schematics, component placements, signal routing, cable harness designs, and bill of materials data for electrical system design and documentation. E3S files are electrical schematic design files, created by E3.series from Zuken, a professional electrical engineering CAD platform. They contain complete wiring diagrams, circuit schematics, component placements, signal routing, cable harness designs, and bill of materials, data for electrical system design and documentation. This E3S file is handled by the industry standard tool E3.series from Zuken. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows shows only basic attributes for this category, so full access depends on specialized modeling software. Begin the compatibility check by right-clicking your E3S file and selecting Open With. Use E3.series if it's an option. If not, test any other program in the list. Keep testing until the E3S file opens. If the E3S file won't budge, stay calm. The reason is usually simple, involving one of three common issues. Here's a quick breakdown of what they are and how to check them. First, open an E3.series. Install Zuken, E3.series, and open the E3S file from the project environment. The schematic editor displays wiring diagrams with component symbols, wire connections, and signal annotations across multiple sheet pages. Navigate between sheets using the project tree and zoom into connection details for inspection. Next, review component data. In E3.series, click on component symbols to view their attribute data, including part numbers, pin assignments, ratings, and cross-references to other project documents. Use the navigation tools to trace wire connections across sheets and verify signal routing through the complete electrical system design. Finally, export for documentation. Generate documentation from the E3S schematic using E3.series report tools. Export wiring diagrams to PDF for distribution. Generate bill of materials, wire lists, and connection tables in Excel or CSV format. Export DXF versions of schematic sheets for import into other CAD documentation systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.